every time I want to cook beef or chicken, first I put them in cold water and I put it on the stove and I let the water boil, and as you see, all the fat comes out, and I just basically take it out of the water. For beef, I usually just toss the water out and wash the beef, but for chicken, for some reason, I don't do that. I just clean the water like this, and I keep the chicken broth when all the fat is out. I'm making a very simple food. You can make this for any adult with any diet restrictions, or your babies, like small children, that if you don't want to add any salt or spices, then this will be a good food for them, because chicken especially as is has its own salt. You really don't need to add a lot of salt to chicken. So when I'm making food for my baby, I don't add salt or pepper or a lot of spices. Maybe a little turmeric, because usually what turmeric does, it helps with it just basically takes the smell of the beef and the chicken away. So that's usually the reason why I use a little bit of turmeric, but that's about it. Okay, so my beef and chicken are now cleaned. I boiled them in water a little bit, and for the beef I tossed the water out, because beef tends to have a lot more fat than chicken, at least that's been my experience. But with the chicken, I just take the fat out and I keep the chicken broth, as you see. So let's go ahead and cook now. So when the water starts boiling, I just basically take the top and let some air in so that the water doesn't spill out of the pot.